Yeah, peeps. Morning. I pack your bike, you know.
Yeah, pack your bike.
I bike we are joining upon this man again. We don't know if them boys up on the road. But I bike we are joining upon this morning. We look overcast, so we are trying to beat. We are trying to beat the
barrel. We are trying to beat barrel.
Yeah, no, we are trying to beat the radar. We reach for the sea where we are going. So, brother, pack up yourself and come out.
Adventure today. Rain all start fall early, but we now make the rain stop. That's the part.
Yeah, peeps, we there, man. Journey, we there on the journey. Yeah, rain fall and stop. So we now make the rain stop with. You know the things, sir. All the walk, no fence on the road. Like other day when we ride for the bike. And they give you 2 tickets. We don't have to get no ticket to this thing. That's what I think, sir. We have to do what we have to do. We call the taxi man, now answer the phone. So we say, alright, we are just journey for the bike. Can't say for 1, 2. We're there, man. Just stick and stay until we reach for the surface. We're there, peeps.
Ice cream truck there. Tree this. So for those who don't know castor oil tree, or who have never seen a castor oil tree before, this is a castor oil tree. The blossom, see
Yeah,
there.
peeps, we finally reach. Can't let the bike on the roadside because I know it thinks that if on the roadside might not come back on seat, so we better carry nearer over there. Alright,
Watch out. Eh? Check that. Where I go down there, sir? Where I cook down this or up, sir? Where I cook down this or up? Anyway. The water draw now, dog. Comparing to other day.
Swing my shit in the bamboo. the bamboo this week.
It's like a bamboo this week.
Yeah. Chop up. So your peeps today.
Your lighter?
Reach on the scene. We'll get the fire start out. I can't see we left some and rain there, so, but no something they will reach her. Sun not to reach her.
No soft there are red.
No, so we leave sap, whole heap of rain. And we reach up here, pay sun.
Oh.
So guess what? You see the place I get overcast, so we are doing what we have to do. You know. No left with canvas. So we there peeps, you light up the fire. And kick off the ball. 2 thick matches now. What if you can
I think I put lighter in there.
Watch out that shade box.
I think I put.
I'm not going to strike it. Come on, you get the fire lighter.
Yeah, so the weather cut now guys. So we can actually give you some camping video.
Yeah.
Can't wait.
You should never get it later. Yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to be in our neighborhood.
Yeah, peeps. When I wicked this up, get 2 thicker matches. And the 2 thicker matches out no. I would never have a lighter. You have to live and go back down the road, go hunt to a lighter. So I get the fire kick off now. Place I get darker and darker, so you have to move faster now.
As long as the rain will come, just that. But even if the rain come, we just have to stay if we can.
Yeah. Oh, I get the thing kick off. I don't tell you the rain or shine, you know you have to go on. Only active. You know a bamboo, you know, so as I said, boom, bamboo light, fire, blaze. So, you know I go.
Where rice there?
See that?
Oh.
That's how we left the rice.
Eh?
No, we left the rice, man.
Alright.
No, I left nothing more, man. We left the lighter, but you know, I think it's like half of the body ends. Near I bridge. But I'm charge you go in. I go in and the man, yo, he say, yo, what lighter me I get? He say, alright. You there, man? You kick off the bar. Yeah, peeps, so we're going to season up the rice now. We add a piece of fresh thyme, green pepper, piece of bell pepper, 3 clover chopped garlic, piece of ginger, some scallion.
You don't take off it, you don't strip out the butter bar.
Yeah, some scallion and half an onion. So add in 1/2 stick of butter. We're going to add in about 1 teaspoon of salt. Season to taste. Alright. Okay, when that boil up now, we add in the sorry. So we get the sorry cut up. We can do it whole, or we cut it up, or we can blend it. We just all cut up here now. The boil up now, so we're going to add in the sorry. Rich, pretty color, sorry.
That's a guys.
So we're going to leave that to boil up. And when it boil up, we wash the rice and put it in. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps, we get the shrimp and clean up. The salt out. And I can't see rain fall on the side about it, so look at the tree.
Rain fall upon the two sides, dog. Upon the two sides, the rain fall now, because the tree come out.
Yeah, man, tree come away. We hardly get water. Water hardly jump out with the sun.
Yo, you're not easy. At two sides, the rain fall, man.
Yeah, man, we there line up, man.
Here, there. The heater come now.
You're going to leak over, so.
But because we under one big tree, that's why you're not even
tree come like a canvas, so.
Soon you know, come like a canvas.
Anytime you really get harder, when you get harder, that time to come.
Eh.
But the father hold up your hand, man, he might give you a chance to do what we do. I hold up your hand and make we do what we have to do. I'll strip up the swim, so man. Rice pot a boil up. Soon put in the rice. So yeah, people, so I'm adding some pimento seed. In a sour rice.
Put that guys, right there.
So yes, people, rice pot a boil up and I'll put in the rice in a pot. Two away, 2 pounds of rice, 1 pound each. Yeah.
It's a 1 pound of rice each.
Each. You eat 1 pound, eat 1 pound.
You see how great it is to pray and how great it is to talk to God.
Yeah.
Whatever you want in a life, just talk to God, man.
Yes, sir.
Everything will work out. Cause you see a while ago, you see that? The rain a fall and we just talk to God, man, and you see, yeah, man, just have to just believe in a God, man. And everything will work out, man. Yeah.
Everything I have to put God first. Now we give it a stir now and then we come up here and make it go and cook. And then after cook, you steam it. You say you cook rice and you steam rice?
Cook it first and then steam it after. Now that you do?
Yeah.
I steam it right.
No, we can't steam rice. What rice I go steam first? You put this over rice in the pot and you can't cook without. You can't steam without cooking a dry rice you can. So you have to cook the rice first and then you steam the rice. You push up the bamboo on the fire. Make it go and boil up and then the jar.
Yeah, so I'm going to season up the shrimp. I'm going to add some green blended season. 2 spoons. I'm going to add some seafood season. About a spoon. All purpose, just the same. And this is Caribbean Vibes local blend. I try to flip today, you know flip. Yeah, toss them in the season, cover them and leave them to marinate. Yeah, so just go like this. Yeah man, tastes good. Alright.
Yeah, people, today I get the carrot peeled up. And get the pumpkin peeled up. The saute for the shrimp. Rain kind of cool off. So you see the sun will push out, look at it. So you know how it takes it. And I'll hold up your hand. We'll finish up the vlog. To go on a good content. Yeah. I try pumpkins here at Riverside, you can't come up with it.
Yeah.
Pumpkin tree. So your peeps, I'm going to burn some garlic in your eye. And shrimp. Dark of the pot. Yeah, let's go for about 5 minutes. And some of the flavor is ready to eat and let them cook it. Let them go and fry a little. Saute the pumpkin and the carrot. Fire red, you know a bamboo we use. So, bamboo fire no play. Today we look about sorrel rice, stir fry shrimp with cabbage. Heat mad, heat wicked. So your peeps, I'm adding the cabbage now. Cut it up and wash it. Can't wait. Oh my word.
Where they are the riverside?
Yeah man, you store the pot and we just store it. Healthy dinner today. So what season we cabbage you add look like you blend this seasoning like. You add a look all purpose. Yeah man, we'll give it a stir. I'll leave that to simmer. Beautiful dinner today. So you're adding a piece of fresh thyme, half a chopped onion and some scallion and a piece of country pepper. This is spicy good old country pepper. Yeah, we'll give it a stir right now. Yeah peeps. Lovely Sunday evening. And the vlog once more. So yeah peeps, we're going to add in the shrimp. We're going to add in the shrimp. We're going to add in a small tin of sweet corn. And half stick of butter. Yeah, peeps, now come up and garlic with the skin. Look at I'm going to cut up and look at the tomato tonight. You know, go where I use bamboo smoke. So I'll give it a look of fire and make it once. So here peeps, we reach our best part of cooking now. Eating time. Yeah man, we finish now. Everything we done now. Side rice ready. Stir fry shrimp with cabbage ready. So our time now? Shearing time.
18 minutes after 3 bars.
So we're going to share the dinner now. Yeah man, at dinner time now man.
Yes, you reach our best part.
Our best part man, that must be the best part.
Which part you reach? Eating part.
Yeah.
That's the part you love.
Food, the eating of the food. Not eating of nothing else. But just the food, you know. Yeah man, our best part now man. So I'm sure of my food now. I made all I work for man, you know, so you see. I'm going to sit down and wait till me eat my dinner and then film time. Yeah. Fully active man. Yeah, when iron for mistake come there.
You don't carry nothing come for yourself. You never carry nothing for yourself to use it. I wonder how you come.
Yeah,
so.
peeps, me dinner there. Yeah, sorry to fuck with this one fuck. How are you?
Yeah man.
Yeah man, see that. A 2 fork you carry now.
I don't carry no fork boss.
Right that's right there. See that. I'll get in it now. No sir. Peeps. Sorry guys. Always I boss. Stir fry shrimp with veg.
Nice. I just don't need it right now. I tell you. I say, when you cook food with love, oh my God, nothing can beat it. Nice. You cook food with love, you put all in it. Don't finish that meat, man. It's not too nice. Then food are too nice.
Guys, sunflower kill me.
So sweet food make man dance.
Man.
Yeah.
Sorrel rice, full of flavor. Ginger, garlic, pimento seed, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, whole life flavor pop. And the steamed cabbage with stir fry shrimp. Okay. Nice.
Only active one.
We chop off your plate already.
I tell you, the same thing because I wait to go for the second house. And some more I get I can look here. Two hours when I go before you.
Oh, so you have a plan for move?
More food, sweet you.
Sunflower bite. Allow me to eat my dinner.
Alright, I think evening kind of like calm. I think all over the place around the show that we're doing, but father hold up your hand. So there man. On the Sunday evening. We bike up top and wait for house to move. Yeah. I use me to eat for a man, you know, brother. Guys. I look at the food you share give me a while ago. Are you share food give me a while ago?
Oh, now you share food.
I look at the food me share a while ago. You know, so when food nice, we have to go. Yeah, man, when food nice, we have to go second or third or fourth. Once we can do it. That's how you take set. You know, if I eat half second, I feel like I eat a little more. I'll lick some more. Vegetable and corn. Palm rice. I'm going to go down now, I want to eat and just spear work. Let's go. One food sweet. Look at move all your feet. Nice. My second round weapon. I try to make up in the third round. Nice. I don't know if it's done. I don't know, man. Hey, babe. It's been a great and a wonderful day. Look at rainfall, get a little bit wet. But out there, man, I don't know what it is. Like, share, and comment, and subscribe to Caribbean Vibes Adventure. See you next week in our next video. Boom.